We have a new van done. It's called the Foley II. I want to show you a tour. Follow me. The Foley II is built on a ProMaster 159. It's got the Patriot blue color, and when you come inside, you'll see even more blue. This is our first client that went with a blue laminated Baltic birch cabinetry. On the passenger side, we are rocking our Kitchenette. Big, deep roof body sink. When I press the water pump, we'll see how much water is in our freshwater tank. We're carrying 33 gallons on board and it's just about full. The drop-in's great. This allows us to have more counter space when we're not using the sink. Next to that, we have a 2-burner induction stove, an overhead microwave for cooking, and the client chose this awesome 3D geometric blue tile, and this is their kitchen backsplash. The kitchen has its own dome light, and over on the other side, we have multiple zones of lighting. So we have the ambient lighting around the van, we have the dome light in the dinette area, and even in the bed we have a couple of reading lights. So these are adjustable overhead cabinets, lots and lots of storage. And the ProMasters, because of the way it's framed and structured behind the wall, we can do this really awesome deep recessed shelf, plenty of space to put some items up there. We call this our King Canyon layout, and this is our King Canyon dinette. This is on a pedestal table, so we can actually drop this butcher block table down and the cushions slide back, allowing us to have a sofa when we don't want to dine. Also in the kitchenette, we're rocking a Dometic NRX 115S. Both a freezer, so we have a freezer compartment up above, and we have lots of storage space for irregular refrigerated items. Everybody always asks, where's the toilet? Where's the toilet? The toilet is easily accessible underneath this sofa seat. In this instance, we used a Laveo dry flush toilet. We love these toilets. They're electric. Keep your waste contained, and it zips it up in a Mylar bag every time you flush it. And just like you would toss your dog's waste, you can just simply twist it off and toss it in the trash. Some other hidden features and components of this van. In these bookends on the sofa area, we have more counter space. In this one, we did a wardrobe. There's a hanger in there, plenty of space to hang a clean dress shirt, something you don't want to get wrinkled and dirty. Probably noticed this right away, but client wanted on the B pillar this adjustable Lagoon table and mount. Another place to sit and work with a laptop or dine. And since we're standing in front of it, the kitchen does extend up when you need that extra space. For gray water, we have really easy accessible 7-gallon tank that can be grabbed from either the outside like we're doing now or from the inside. And next to it, we have a water filter. So this is tied into our cold water line. It's another Shark Tank company called Hydroviv. And this is really great if you want to just put hose water in your water tank and be able to drink it without issue. The biggest feature of this van is our AC system. I'll show you how it works. We call this a premium AC system. So rather than having a unit on the roof, we're using a split system from Cruising Comfort called the VES Ultra. And this is actually running on a 24-volt system. All of our controls are on the side panel here, along with our heat control, all of our battery monitoring. But this is like a thermostat you would have at home. So if you want to run your AC, you just power it on. You can already hear sort of the quiet hum of the AC running. Our evaporator and our blowers are up here, and this is sending cold air back to the bed area. And it works really well in a ProMaster because of this pizza kitchen area we call it. And what we're able to do is fit the evaporator unit up here, and it's really the perfect spot to cool the van very quickly and efficiently. Every component in the van is running off the battery system we install under the bed. So let's light it up. We're using 2 Battleborn GC3 Game Changer batteries, and we're running this as a 24-volt system, although we do have some 12-volt components. So we do have a step-down converter to run our 12-volt components like the roof fan, the fridge, some of the lights, but we also have the 24-volt setup. So we have the Multi Plus 2 from Victron. It's the 3,000-watt inverter. It also allows us to charge the van, and this is allowing us to also do regular 110 outlets inside the van. So just like at home, you can plug in your iPhone, your computer charger, a TV, anything you want with a 110 plug can be plugged in. Kitchen components, blenders, all that stuff, there's plenty of power to run it, and this is where it comes from. On the other side, we have our water system, 33 gallons of fresh water over the wheel well, and a 6-gallon electric water tank up above. Great to get hot water for your outdoor shower. Hooks up on the side of the van. This client was actually a renter of ours, and they love this feature that we put inside of our rentals, which is a flip-up counter on the rear door. They liked it so much that they actually got 2. So we've cooked with a propane stove out here. Anywhere you can put extra space, we're down to talk about it. And in this case, we have 2 outdoor tables. Come this way. We can charge the van with that multi-plus inverter just simply by plugging in. And this is a 30 amp plug, but we do have the converter to allow you to plug into a regular house outlet. We call it a pigtail, but you can do 15 amps at home, 30 amps at an RV site. You can keep this thing really charged. Up on the roof, and I'll take that from you, we have a lot of solar. So one of the benefits of this AC system is that there's nothing on the roof. Therefore, we put 1,000 watts of solar on the roof. And what was left that wasn't covered by solar, we were able to fit in a roof fan. Client wanted runners, we can install runners. This is the front of the van. We did a black laminate hood. Matt Foley II. We all remember Matt Foley I, right? There's probably more features in this van to show off, but for now, those are the main ones. Really excited to do more tours. Check us out, Boho Vans. We're on YouTube, we're on Instagram, we're on TikTok. Come find us.